Ever wondered how your daily bathroom routine could help save the planet? From bamboo toothbrushes to refillable shampoo bottles, I'm sharing 10 easy and affordable swaps to create a more sustainable bathroom. And trust me, they'll make a big difference. Let's dive in. Welcome back to Home and Haven Living, where we embrace natural, sustainable, and intentional living. Your bathroom might seem small, but it's actually a hotspot for waste. Think single-use plastics, excessive water use, and disposable products. Today I'll show you 10 practical swaps to turn your bathroom into an eco-friendly haven without sacrificing style or convenience. Ready to make your bathroom more eco-friendly? Hit that like button, subscribe, and let's dive into these simple, sustainable swaps that can make a big difference for the planet. Let's start. 1. Switch to a bamboo toothbrush. Plastic toothbrushes take hundreds of years to decompose. Swap them for bamboo toothbrushes. They're compostable and just as effective. Pro tip: replace them every 3 months and toss the handle in your compost pile. 2. Refillable shampoo and conditioner bottles. Ditch single-use bottles and invest in stylish, refillable containers. Bonus: many local stores offer refill stations for shampoo, conditioner, and even soap. Alternatively, try shampoo and conditioner bars. Check our video in the description for the recipe. 3. Eco-friendly razors. Say goodbye to disposable razors and try a stainless steel safety razor. It's durable, cost-effective, and way more sustainable. 4. Reusable cotton rounds. Perfect for removing makeup or applying toner, reusable cotton rounds are washable and eliminate the need for single-use ones. 5. Compostable sponges and brushes. Natural sponges and brushes made from loofah or coconut fibers are a great zero-waste option. Plus, they're biodegradable. 6. Natural toothpaste. Opt for natural toothpaste made with safe, eco-friendly ingredients like baking soda, activated charcoal, and essential oils. Many natural toothpaste brands now offer packaging that's plastic-free, such as recyclable tubes made from aluminum, or even toothpaste tablets that come in compostable packaging. 7. Biodegradable shower curtains. Replace vinyl shower curtains with biodegradable or fabric ones for a healthier and more eco-friendly option. 8. Reusable cloth towels. Switch to organic cotton or bamboo towels. They last longer and use fewer resources in production. 9. Water-efficient shower heads. Want to go the extra mile? Consider installing a water-efficient shower head or using homemade cleaning products to keep your bathroom sparkling without chemicals. 10. Replace plastic hairbrushes with bamboo brushes. Plastic hairbrushes can take centuries to decompose. Switch to bamboo hairbrushes, which are made from sustainable, biodegradable materials. They're gentle on your hair and scalp while being kind to the environment. Did you know the average household bathroom contributes to 60% of its plastic waste? Imagine the impact if we all made just a few swaps. And there you have it, 10 simple swaps to make your bathroom more sustainable. Whether you're just starting your eco-friendly journey or looking for your next step, these ideas are easy, impactful, and worth trying. What's your favorite sustainable swap? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on creating a greener home. Thanks for watching. Let's make small changes that lead to a big difference.